Andrea, and I'm back again at the ConocoPhillips Math Lab for another math activity to practice our basic facts. And today, all you will need will be a set of dominoes. Hi parents, I have Abigail and Cameron here, and they're going to help us play odds and ends. So, like I said, all you need is dominoes, and what we're going to do is we're going to turn over 2 dominoes, we're going to add them together, and if it's even, we have to put them back. If it's odd, they get to keep it. So I have 7 plus 4, that's 11, that's odd, so I got 3 sets of odds, so I am the winner. Thank you, Cameron and Abigail, for playing with me. Okay, parents, that was another great way to practice your basic facts. You can do this with addition, multiplication, and even subtraction. Thank you for coming to our Good Vibes show. Goodbye.